What's going on, guys? How y'all doing today? Today, we talk about my portfolio. See how we doing today. Looking like we in a green, 3.1%. I think looking good for the most part. How y'all doing today? Today, I look like we're in a green for the most part. Looking good. I'm gonna talk about real quick on my stats. Give me some feedback. Aurora Cannabis. I've been playing this for the long term. I'm down about $39. Just want to see what y'all think about this one. Aurora Cannabis. What y'all think about this one? Will it go back up? Should I sell? Got some strong beliefs. I don't know. Good cannabis stock. Let's see. It's a good one. I think this one's holding Canada. But yeah, give me some feedback. Let me know what you think about Aurora Cannabis. Should I sell this and give up on this one? This one pretty bringing my portfolio down a bit. Got me in the red for the past few months. But yeah, let me know what you think about this one. I'm looking soon to add some more to my portfolio. Leave a comment on which stocks I should add. I'm thinking about adding this one right here, Vanguard US REIT Fund. Pretty good REIT, good market cap, dividend yield. What you think about this one? Let's say stock. Oops, what you doing that for? Ownership, operation, in real estate in the U.S. U.S. REITs. So, think about adding that one. But today, I want to probably go through real quickly and talk about the stocks that are in my portfolio. So I got Twitter. This is one of my first stocks. Pretty good one. Then you got Nike. Good stock. Good dividend. One share of that. Got Disney. And Disney right here. Of course, I'm gonna hold for the long run. Good large cap stock. Got Under Armour. What you think about Under Armour? I'm thinking about buying more shares of Under Armour. I mean, well-known brand, good brand. Verizon. Actually own Verizon. Pretty good company. Good dividend yield. Might actually buy some more Verizon. Ford been down a bit, but very good dividend yield. What you think about Ford? Should I sell or keep for the dividends? Good company. We talked about this one earlier. Let me know what you think about this one. Blue Rock, another REIT. Pretty good REIT. Dividend yield 11. Another REIT. Apple. I think I might sell this one. I'm not sure. We'll see. Good thing about Apple REIT. Got swap dividend. ETF. Good dividend yield. You got GM. Good motor company. Good dividend yield. Yeah, Lyft. Still really brand new, but why not on some Lyft? Actually, this is one of my free stocks I had. Coca-Cola. This was one of Warren Buffett's favorite companies. Good dividend yield. Might buy some more of this one. Let's see. Looking good. AMD. Real good stock. Good processor. CPUs. Yeah, Uber. Actually, this was another free stock I had. Funny, I got Uber and Lyft as a free stock. iShare, USA REITs. Pretty much same thing like the Vanguard. Camry Grove, another cannabis stock. Pretty good. This one's pretty good, but What do you think about this one? Should I sell? Should I hold one on this one? You got Stag, another REIT. Pretty good one. 5.7 dividend yield. A good buy rating. Yeah, pretty good. We got this one right here, another REIT. Oops. Gauges and distribution, storage, transport, marketing, energy products. Pretty good REIT. Got a dividend. Actually, last month should be a good one this month soon. MGM Growth Properties. That's a good one. Good dividend yield. Yeah. Real estate investment trust. Engaging ownership and leasing, destination, entertainment, resorts. Pretty good one. Medical property trust. About 2 shares of this one. Pretty good. Dividend yield. LCC properties. Another one. Another good dividend. For Caribbean. What you think about the cruise shots right now? Just a buy. Got 1 share of this one. 52-week high, 135. Pretty good one. Hold on. I think cruise shot will be back. Swap. International. Pretty good one. International stocks. Large and mid cap stocks. Development. Pretty good one. Carnival. There was no Carnival Cruise Line. Iron Mountain. Pretty good one. Good dividend. 10.9. AT&T. Pretty good one. Good dividend yield. You got Southwest. There's another airline stock. What you think about the airline stocks too? I want to share this. I'm gonna buy some more airline. I think Southwest is a good company. Got Bass Fly Free and Gold. Got 1 share of that. Might get some more Gold. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment about just some stocks you think I should get. What kind of stocks that I should be looking out for. Say I'm new to this. I enjoy buying stocks. Let's have a little fun on the way. Let's see. Feel like I'm in the green. But yeah, leave a comment, like, subscribe.